Blackberry, banana, wheat flour fried fritters. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the banana snacks recipes and one of the most delicious of the banana fritter recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the blackberry recipes and one of the most delicious of the snacks recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the blackberry fritters recipes and one of the most unique of the blackberry snacks recipes. We're going to make blackberry banana wheat flour fried fritters. Taken around 100 grams of wheat flour, 50 grams of blackberry from which we have taken off the seeds, 50 grams of sugar, 100 grams of banana peeled and cut into pieces. Put in the blackberry pieces, put in the sugar, close and grind well. Put in the wheat flour, put in 50 to 75 ml of water, close and grind well. Now empty the grinder onto the bowl. This can be used as the batter into which the banana is dipped before being fried. Put in the banana pieces into the batter and coat thoroughly with the batter. Do this with the other banana pieces. Until all the banana pieces are nicely coated with the batter. And this can then be fried. Heat the pan and pour in 40 to 50 ml of oil and let the oil get heated. Heat the pan. Now put the banana fritters cut with the batter into the oil and let it fry. Turn it into medium heat. turn it over and let it fry. Keep on turning from side to side. Now take off the pan and drain off the oil and put it onto the plate. Put in the next banana piece dipped in the batter into the oil. And let it fry. Turn it over. Keep on frying by turning from side to side until all the banana pieces are fried into fritters. This is the final Blackberry banana wheat flour fried fritters, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the Fritter recipes and one of the most unique of the snacks recipes and one of the most delicious of the Blackberry recipes and one of the most different of the banana recipes and one of the most unique of the banana snacks recipes and one of the most delicious of the Blackberry Fritters recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.